Hello everyone, welcome to the QA Automation Studio. In the previous video, we wrote our first Playwright test and understood the test syntax. Now before we write more tests, we must understand one very important questions. So where exactly should we write our Playwright tests? So in this video, we will learn Playwright file structure very slowly and very clearly. So basically in every programming language, let's consider Playwright or the Selenium. Every automation starts with a test file. So this test file is more important in every automation. So here a test file is a simply JavaScript or a TypeScript file where we write our all test cases. One test file usually represents one feature or one scenario. For example, let's consider login file. We can write all login tests inside that login file, or you can consider a sign up test. We can write all sign up related scenarios test cases into this sign up file. Second thing, why we wrote .spec.js extension. It is very important concept. So Playwright does not randomly run any file. Basically, it looks for a special naming pattern. So here .spec means specifications. So it tells Playwright this file contains test and we need to run this file. So your file name does not end with .spec.js, then Playwright will ignore it. So in Playwright, the file name matters. So basically, by default, Playwright expects all test files inside the test folder. Here you will see all our test files. Here you will see all our test files, which is inside the test directory. So basically, Playwright automatically scan the test folder and run all .spec files inside it. Second, how Playwright finds the test files. So when we run npx playwright test command, so basically Playwright does three things internally. First, it goes to the test folder, then it looks .spec files, and then finally it executes each test one by one. We don't need to configure right now anything. Playwright handles this automatically. And one more important thing, we can write in a single file some multiple tests. So basically, let's consider a login. We can write a valid login test. We can also write into the same file invalid login test. In the same file, we can also write empty credentials test. So this helps us to organize tests properly. So writing test, you don't write tests outside the test folder and don't rename .spec.js randomly. Don't create one file for everything. This is a good habit, or you can say good structure, easy maintenance in real projects. So basically in real companies, automation projects can have hundreds of test files. That's why understanding file structure early makes you look like a professional tester. In this video, what we have learned, so what is a Playwright test file, why .spec.js is important, where tests should be written, and finally, how Playwright finds and run test files. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.